Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to rationalize the denominator with complex and or imaginary functions in mathematics. On the side notes, we see that I squared is equal to negative 1, I to the third is equal to I squared times I to the first power, which is equal to negative 1 times I to the first power, which is equal to negative 1i. I to the fourth power is equal to I squared times I squared, which is equal to negative 1 times negative 1, which is equal to 1. Rationalizing the denominator with complex and or imaginary functions in mathematics. Here we have a function of 5 plus I divided by 3 minus I. There are two binomials and they both occur in the numerator and denominator. So we must put parentheses around each and multiply by the conjugate of the denominator by flipping the sign in the middle between 3 and I and multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 plus I. And then we FOIL in the numerator. We get 5 times 3 plus 5 times I plus 3 times I plus I squared. In the denominator, we have 3 times 3 plus 3 times I minus 3 times I minus I squared. In the numerator, that breaks down to 15 plus 8I plus a negative 1 divided by 9 minus I squared, because the two terms in the middle cancels out. So, in the numerator, it breaks down to 15 plus 8I minus 1 divided by 9 plus 1, because minus a negative, and the signs will turn to addition. And in the numerator, unlike signs, will turn to a minus. So this will equal 14 plus 8I divided by 10. Here we see we can factor out a common term of 2 in the numerator and denominator, and which gives us 2 times 7 plus 4I divided by 2 times 5. And we cancel out the 2's, and we're left with 7 plus 4I divided by 5, which breaks down to be put in the form of A plus BI of 7 divided by 5 plus 4/5 I. If you need math tutoring, please contact me at 559-744-3169. Thank you. And please donate to my Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan.